Thanks for joining me. I wanted to do a review on the last diamond painting I just finished. It's the Christmas boots from Michaels. It was one of the Christmas collections that you could get at Michaels. And I have finished it, and I wanted to give you my thoughts and show you guys the ending product. So this is the ending product, and you guys, look how it sparkles. Isn't that just amazing? This is why I love Diamond Dots. It just sparkles and glitters so well and amazingly and pretty. But this is the one I've just finished. Had a little snowflake down there at the bottom. And it was one of their Christmas ones that you could get. If you can pick it up, you could go get it today if it's at your Michaels for 70% off. It is a 16 by 17.2 inches wide, and it's just so pretty. You don't even have to have this up just for Christmas. You could keep it up all year if you want, but it's so pretty. It was easy to do. It is a full size or full drill canvas, and there were 20 colors with 2 AB colors. I don't know if you can actually see. There was white AB and blue AB. There's the white down there, but look how it just glitters, okay? It is a poured glue. It was easy to do. The drill stuck amazingly, and it was perfect. I really like Diamond Dots. So if you have a chance to try out the Diamond Dots company, do that. You can try it out at Joann's, Hobby Lobby, Michaels. You can also visit my website. I sell them from my website, the exclusive designs from Diamond Dots at Home, when we just got some really amazing designs that I'm fixing to start working on. So check out my website. I'll put a link down in the bottom. But Diamond Dots is my top brand company I love. I do love some other companies, but this is my company, is my go-to, even if I not necessarily love the design, but it's a really good price. I get it. They give you plenty of drills, and if you don't have enough drills, email them. They will work it out with you. But I have never had a problem with not having enough drills, and if I did, I think it happened one time with a special drill shape. They sent them to me, and I got them in no time. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this review of a Diamond Dots kit, Christmas